Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just wanted to show a bit of a job we got in the workshop now and a bit of a trick or a tip for when you're doing this sort of work. Today we've got this VW Transporter T4, it's a 2000 model. We're doing a clutch and gearbox issue with this particular vehicle. But this particular vehicle is very, very difficult to get the operation out. So it's important in this particular case, like many other, using the right tools. So in this particular case, we need a particular jig or engine mount. With this particular one, bolts onto the engine here and then goes onto this jig. This jig allows the engine to be moved forward and back this way, as well as being lifted up and down. So to get this actual gearbox out without actually having to remove literally everything, we have to lower the motor and bring it this way towards the front of the vehicle. That allows the gearbox then to be removed. So again, without this particular piece of apparatus, literally impossible without removing literally everything. If you didn't have this particular jig to be able to do this particular job, you'd first have to take the whole front end up, engine and gearbox out, etc., to be able to remove the gearbox from, or displace the gearbox from the actual engine. So this particular point here is about making sure you're using the right tools. So in this case, make sure you've got the right tools to do the job. We've actually hired this particular jig for this job. We haven't actually gone and bought one. There are some hire companies out there that do this particular jig, which you can hire. So again, with any sort of jobs like this, do your research and your homework. Make sure that if there is a particular special tool you're going to need, make sure you get a hold of that before you tackle the job. Again, you don't want to get yourself into too much trouble trying to tackle something without the right gear. So in this particular case, makes the job a lot easier, a lot quicker. But again, just a bit of research beforehand to find out, are there any special tools you need for the particular job. See you next time.